Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I want to show you something that I just made. I made these in gold, and now I'm going to make them in silver. They're so pretty on, and they are so easy to make, so I hope you'll give this a try. Okay, so to get started making your beautiful pearl hoop earrings, you're going to need some supplies. I've got my 2 large hole pearls in gray, and with a large hole, you just have to really make sure that the hole can fit through your wire. So that's what you need to check when you're making your large hole pearl earrings. You're going to need 2 lever backs, and for these I'm using 1 1/4 inch, this one, the smaller one, and a 1 1/2 inch. So you can choose what size you like better for your earring hoops. I also need a hammer, and I need my bench block, but actually this isn't the hammer I need. I need the one with the rubber mallet. So let me get that one and switch that one out. I also need flush cutters, round nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. Oh, and with this wire, so this wire, the 22 gauge, this is half hard wire, and this is what I need to make my hoop. I can't go with a dead soft wire because it will be too flimsy, and the shape of the hoop could warp and turn, you know, different directions. So I want something more stable, so I'm using half hard, and that's also why I'm going to need my hammer, but I need the one with the rubber mallet on it. So this is the hammer that I'm going to use. And also, when you use your bench block, you're probably going to need something under it. So I'm going to go get my towel when I start hammering later. These are the large hoop ones that I made using the 1 1/2 inch diameter. So today I'm going to do the 1 1/4 inch. So I'm going to start by cutting 6 inches of my wire, and I'll double that. All right, let's put this away. And now what I'm going to do is bring in my bottle. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around just like that. Make sure it's all the way around and it's fairly tight. I'm trying to hold the shape of my circle by pressing it in. All right, so I've got one done. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm going to press it into my bottle. Okay, here's the second one. Okay, this is where the hammering is going to come in. I'm going to use the rubber side, and I'm just going to tap out my earring, and I'm going to do it all the way around. Turn it over to the other side, and what I'm doing is I'm hardening the wire so it's not going to lose its shape. So let's do the other side. This is the easy part. You just pick up your earring and you slide your pearl on. Okay, looking good. So far, so good. With the end of my wire, I'm going to start on one side and I'm going to turn a loop, kind of a fairly large loop. So I'm going to put the wire in my round nose pliers, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn until my loop touches like that. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. Until I have 2 loops. Do the same for the other earring. So I've got one loop, and then let's do the other loop. So I've got 2 loops. I need a jump ring. So I'm going to need 2 jump rings, and I'm going to use, these are, let me see, I think this one is too big, so I'm going to use the smaller one, this one. That's too small. This one. So let me see what size this is. I think this is a 6mm, but let me just check it for you. Yeah, this is a, oh wait, no, this is a 7mm. This is a 7mm jump ring. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my jump ring by twisting it. Then I'm going to put it right through the loops that I just made. And to that, I'm going to add my lever back. And then I'm going to close it up. Give that a pinch on the top to make sure that's secure. Let's do the same for the other side. Open up the jump ring by twisting it, putting it through the loop that I made. And the other side, and then add my lever back. And then I can go ahead and close it up. Squeeze that together. And there you have your beautiful large hoop earrings. I hope you will give this a try. They are so easy to make and so beautiful on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.